S3 is for anyone who can stand and wants better health, but especially if you have any of these. Feeling helpless? S3 is ideal because basic biology tells us that anyone can improve with the right attitude. In fact, the less healthy you are, the more you'll benefit from S3. I'd like you to meet Randy, a former S3 skeptic whose mom, 90-year-old Charlotte, used S3 to improve walking while reducing pain and fall risk.
Her primary care physician, Dr. Burney, recommended the S3, and using the S3 enabled her to do some exercises at home. And because she's been able to do exercises and get out of bed and not just lay around in bed, she's been able to gain some strength and some stamina. I'm a little bit surprised. I didn't think that someone her age would make the progress that she's made.
And this is how. A physician who had his mom, Beverly, a 96-year-old with Alzheimer's, who typically needs 2 people to get up, use S3 to stand up and build leg strength.
When I first heard about this device, I was a little skeptical because she's in memory care and has been in a wheelchair for a long time. I didn't know if it'd help her or not, but it turns out it's helped her a lot. But first, when she tried to stand up from the wheelchair, she could tolerate about 18 seconds was all. And a couple of weeks later, she was doing a minute or 2, and now it's over 3 minutes.
So you see, anyone can do it. The hardest part is getting started.